Well, tomorrow's the big day. We finally decided that it's time for us to get turf in our backyard. So I thought it might be fun for us to document. I'm gonna do a little video for you of what the before looks like, the after, as well as share with you what the actual process is and what does it actually cost to turn your backyard into a green oasis with artificial turf. Well, today is supposed to be day one of us turning our backyard into that green oasis I talked about last night with the artificial turf. The guy showed up just as planned this morning at 5:45 to get started bright and early before the heat started kicking in. Came, unloaded all their equipment, but unfortunately we've already hit snag one. Our ground and the sod is actually too wet for them to properly use the sod removal tools that they brought. So tip one I have for anyone who's looking into installing artificial turf is make sure that you turn off your irrigation system 1 to 2 days prior to whenever the install is supposed to begin. So for today, I guess they're done while we wait for the ground to dry out, and we'll try it all again tomorrow. Stay tuned to see how it turns out.